Hey there, nature lovers, LKS. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of birds and their unique calls. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the eerie calls of the black loon, which echo across the northern lakes. Now, the black loon is a species of waterbird that's native to the northern regions of North America. They're known for their striking black plumage and their distinctive calls, which can be quite haunting. These calls are a combination of a series of high-pitched notes and a low-pitched boom, creating a sound that's both captivating and eerie. The black loon's calls are not only intriguing, but they also play a crucial role in their mating rituals and communication with other members of their species. So, the next time you're out on the lake, keep an ear out for these fascinating birds and their haunting